Yo, 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 smoke grenade.
Say your name.
Braindoc 14. Look at that. Holy crap, I thought this wouldn't work. Holy crap, dude. Great cover. Gavin was just hiding. Does it stink?
Yeah, and it burns your eyes.
Oh yeah, this would be great to chuck in a bunker, dude.
Check us out later on. I'll show you how to make them.
Yeah, we'll show you how to make these things. Not right now, though. Alright, unwrap this puppy. Alright, she's still ready to light. Smells terrible. Yeah, it's not going. Unwrap her. Unwrap her.
Normally, if it wasn't that cold out, then it would light up and disintegrate this ball.
All we did was we took a ping pong ball.
Look right there. Look at the very tip. You can already tell that that is bad for your lungs. Oh, look.
Oh, I missed my ping pong ball already. Ew.
That's what's left.
That was nasty.
Really stinks.
That's her. Smoke grenade. Out.